Hey guys, Ron Bondle Build Construction here. I just want to show you a cool project that we did last summer. We built a porch for a friend of mine's sister, and this was the house that we took these pillars down from, and it had a kind of a weird entranceway in the front, and we built this really nice timber frame porch, and we used insulated concrete forms for the foundation part of it, and it was a really big project. I didn't get a lot of video footage of it, but I got a lot of still photos, so I just wanted to narrate through this. Here is the ICFs that we put in and stacked them all up, had them braced, ready for the pour. We poured the footer in the walls at the same time, so here it is ready with the rebar and everything in it for the pour. And we got that all poured. Went pretty smooth. And then we had to move on to backfilling it. But here again, here's another picture of it all braced up, ready to go. We had to dig a lot of stuff out of here. There's a lot of concrete and the old steps and everything. Quite a bit of excavation work went into this project. We used the little mini excavator to do all the digging and everything. We had the tractor, Kubota tractor over there, filling it all in when we were done. Another photo showing it all braced up. You see there's a plywood gusset plate there where there's a common seam, and then the NUDURA ICF blocks. But this porch project dressed this house up quite a bit. Here we are filling in the porch. Pretty much we put about 4 or 5 loads of gravel in that thing. Here's a picture of us filling in the ICF foundation. As you can see, it was already poured and everything. We took the mini excavator and we were dumping the gravel in there and tamping it all up. We spent a whole day filling this thing in, tamping it in lifts. About every 8 inches we dump the gravel in and tamp it. This picture here, it's all formed up, ready to go. It's got the wire mesh down, the plastic's in there, and we're ready to pour the top cap on the porch right here in this picture. So here's a picture of the stairs in the top after we poured it. And we did a seamless slate stamp on this concrete porch. Here's a close-up of the seamless slate, like right after we washed all the color out of it, or the powder release out of it, I should say. And this is a picture of it after we put the sealer on it. Come out really nice. And here's a picture of the stairs and the porch after we sealed it. Looks real sharp. So after the concrete was all poured and sealed, me and my father went out and cut a bunch of cherry trees down. Here's a picture of some of the timbers that we cut. We cut 8x8 timbers. And here's a pile of just a bunch of the boards that were left over from cutting the beams. Here's the pile of the timbers finished off the mill. They're all ready to go. You can kind of see all the boards in the background. Here's a pile of the timbers after we sanded them and put the oil on them and everything. Had all the notches drilled and cut. So here we are with Carl, the Kubota tractor, setting the beams up with that homemade pick pole that we got for the front of the tractor. It's a bobcat hitch. Here we are just bolting things down. Matt's up on the ladder, putting the lag bolts in. This porch is all bolted together with real heavy allthreads. There's just a picture of the front all braced up. We put some mango braces in there, hold everything. There's another picture. I'm up on the top of the ladder. I think I was waiting for the rafters to head up that day. So evidently I didn't get any pictures of the rafters going up. But here's just a simple little raftered roof that we did. And here we are setting up pieces of plywood, or actually it was zip panel we used for this roof. So here we are with the Kubota, Carl the Kubota again, handing up sheets of the zip panel for the roof. A lot easier than carrying it up the ladder, that's for sure. There we are with a sheet. So here's the roof after we got it all on. Got the zip panel on and taped. Eaves are all done. Come out real nice. Here's a front view of it. I think it looks a lot better from the front. Looks good from the side, but it looks better from the front. Here's where we're putting the soffit and fascia on. We put some vinyl soffit up in there to make it brighter inside the porch. There's a look up into the porch with the vinyl siding, or vinyl soffit with the beams showing through. The cherry oiled up nice and it looked really good. So this last picture is just pretty much everything done. Only thing we didn't get to finish was we're going to put some stone over the ICF blocks in the front, and we're going to put some standing seam roofing on the top, but pretty much ran out of time for this project for last summer, so we're going to pick back up on it this spring and finish it up with the stone and the standing seam roof. I think it turned out really good. I'm going to put some links at the end of this video on some of the build videos that we did for this project. We did quite a few build videos for it. If you want to see how we did it, there's a bunch of info in them videos for you. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. And if you like this kind of thing, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the bell notification, and you'll see some of my other videos. We do quite a bit of cool stuff. Thanks again.